Hi friends, welcome to RS Car Modifiers. Today we have a beautiful Thar Rocks where we have done a complete modification. So let us see what and all we have done in this. Starting from the front side, what we have gone is the complete Proman bumper, which is specific for a top end, comes with a separate place for placing the sensor as well. So this is a complete plug and play kind of a Thar bumper, which most of the brand doesn't have right now. So what we have also done is we have put the exact fog lamp of the original which comes in the Thor Rocks into the bumper as well. You can see the complete look of the entire front profile has been completely changed. It looks as beautiful like a beast from the front side. So you can see it is a edge to edge kind of a fitment. There is no gap and it's completely a plug and play kind of a system. What we also have done in this is the customer was very particular on the color of the Thar Rocks which he has taken. So sat for some time, discussed what has to be done, a ceramic or a PPF. But end of the time, we went and convinced the customer to do a PPF. As usual, we have gone with a Garware PPF in this for a complete 5 years warranty. So the entire body of the vehicle has been covered with Garware PPF. Not even a small bit is not covered, and wherever the PPF is not installed, we have also done a ceramic coating that includes the windshield, the side windows and the dicky as well. So the complete thing has been covered. Snippet of what is the hydrophobicity which comes when you install this kind of a PPF. When we do that, basically the water doesn't stay on top of the vehicle, or if it stays, it will be in top of droplets. So you can see, so you completely get a e-warranty for this, and you can get it serviced anywhere throughout India as well. If you see the side profile of the car, what we have done is the indicator lights which is put on the mirrors. So it looks very beautiful during night, as well as when you put an indicator, it gives a complete classy look as well. As usual, on the side hinges we have gone with Proman. We promote Proman only because of the quality and the fit and finish. So we have put 2 hinges in this. So in the sides, we also have given a beautiful sun film with a 96 IRR, so that there is not much infrared rays which goes inside the car. So this is done by a company called as Moto Anger. You can see the badging of the brand as well here. It is written as Moto Anger, and it's a very quality film. In the front side, the customer only wanted an anti-glare film. So what he has done, we have done is a brand called as Garware. So we have gone with the Fronti series in the front side. The customer wanted a very unique look on the back side. If you see here, this is one of a kind which we have done. So the customer wanted a black color PPF on the sides, which we have done, so that it looks very premium from the side. So you can see that in the side what we have done is a completely a premium kind of a work. The most important thing which we have done is we have changed the size of the tires to 20 inches. So you can see the 20 inches tires, and we have changed the alloys. We have also done the red caliper as well. So the complete side profile has been done, and we have also done a 2 layer damping in this. If you can see, the complete 2 layer of damping is also done in this vehicle, and we have also done a 70 matte, again a very premium quality. You can see the 70 mats here. It's a completely a very premium quality, comes with 2 years of warranty, and it looks very premium inside the car. The eye catching part of this Thar Rocks is basically this 20 inches tires and the alloy wheels. The complete setup has been changed from the 18 inches which comes in the base variant of the vehicle. So we have completely changed that as well. So this is, again, we have gone with a very good brand as well. So we have gone with the Yokohama brand, and it comes basically with a 20 inches. So this completely enhances the actually the look of the vehicle. And what we have also done is the reflector lights. So it's the aftermarket reflector lights. These wholesome, actually this wholesomely changes the look of the vehicle. When you drive it in the road, people start seeing your vehicle. So it is not only going to change the look, also the stability of the vehicle as well. The customer was very particular to add this in his vehicle. So all in all, what we have done in this vehicle is a complete modification. So if you are also having a Thar Rocks and want to get the modification done, RS Car Modifiers is the perfect place to do it. You can come visit us, see the quality of our work, quality of the product. We will be surely giving you a great discount for the people depending upon whatever product and the quality you are taking. So I hope all the Tar Rock customers who are interested to get this kind of modification done, RS Car Modifiers is the only place. So come visit our place, get your Tar Rocks modified. We have two branches, BTM and KR You can visit both the branches and get your Tar Rocks modified. Let me see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.